The FNT 9in 2.5Qt Nonstick Saucepan is a great addition to any kitchen. It boasts a non-stick coating. This makes cooking easy and cleanup even easier. Food slides right off its surface, and you won't spend ages scrubbing. The deep frying pan design is versatile. You can use it for sauces and even for a bit of frying. Plus, it comes with a convenient cover. This helps trap heat and moisture for perfect results. This small cooking pot has thoughtful features. It includes double pour spouts. These make serving liquids mess-free for both right-handed and left-handed users. The Stay Cool handle is a fantastic safety feature. It remains cool to the touch while you are cooking on the stovetop, so you don't have to worry about accidental burns. The FNT 9in 2.5Qt Nonstick Saucepan is also PFOA free. This means it's made without harmful chemicals, giving you peace of mind while you cook dinner. Overall, the FNT 9in 2.5Qt Nonstick Saucepan is a reliable pot. It offers a good balance of size and features. It's perfect for small meals, ramen, or heating up leftovers. The non-stick surface is a dream to cook on and clean, and the added features like the pour spouts and Stay Cool handle make it a practical choice. If you need a small, versatile, and easy-to-use saucepan, the FNT 9in 2.5Qt Nonstick Saucepan is a solid pick. It won't break the bank, and it will become a workhorse in your daily cooking. Pros: non-stick coating, deep frying pan, small cooking pot, pour spouts. Double, Stay Cool handle, PFOA free, ramen pot, with lid 9in size 2.5Qt capacity. Cons: could be too small, lightweight, feels cheap, only hand wash, not oven safe, might scratch easily, lid steam holes small, pour spouts may drip, black color shows wear. Features: saucepan and pot, includes a lid, deep frying pan, non-stick coating, small cooking pot. Double pour spouts, Stay Cool handle, PFOA free, ramen pot, black color. This black FNT 9in saucepan is a small, 2.5-quart cooking pot that comes with a lid. It's also a deep frying pan with a non-stick coating, which means food won't easily stick to it. The pot has double pour spouts on the sides, making it easy to pour out liquids. It also has a Stay Cool handle to protect your hand. This ramen pot is made without PFOA, a chemical that some non-stick coatings used to have. This 9in 2.5-quart black saucepan with a non-stick coating and lid is designed for tasks like deep frying and making ramen. It has double pour spouts, a Stay Cool handle, and is PFOA free. However, its small size might not be enough for everyone, and its lightweight feel could suggest it's not very strong. It needs to be washed by hand, cannot go in the oven, and might scratch easily. The lid's steam hole is small, and the pour spouts could drip. Also, the black color might show wear over time.